Hey y'all, today I wanted to hop on here real quick and show you a product that is new to me. It's not really a new product, but it's an as seen on TV product. You may have seen some other YouTubers, beauty gurus, which I am not, try this product out, but I thought I would try it for myself because it's a 3-second eyebrow, it's a 3-second eyebrow stamp kit product, and I want my eyebrows to look better. So I thought I'd buy it. It was $14.99 at Walgreens, and you may be able to find it somewhere else cheaper, but I was at Walgreens, it was at Walgreens, so I bought it. And I brought it home and I thought, this would be fun to try. And then I thought, well, I'm gonna show you guys me trying it and see if like a regular, I consider myself a regular person, would be able to use the product and how it would actually work. So it says, just press in place, 3 seconds is all it takes. That's cute. It says blends with most hair and skin tones. So another thing that you need to know about this is it does not come like in different colors to match like your hair. It's just a neutral color. So I only had one color to choose from, or at least at Walgreens I only had one color to choose from because I looked at all the little bundles to see if there was a different color. And it comes with 2 eyebrow stamp options, and one is an arched brow and one's more of a curved brow. I'm going to be using the arched brow because I do like an arched brow. I can't make just one go. And it comes with the eyebrow powder product. So let's get started. Really, like, I'm needing assistance. Oh, I've got this handy dandy thing. I got this like at a trade show that I went to, a conference, and I was gonna put it in my giveaway pile, my donate pile, but came in handy for me. So how about that? All right, opening the product has like a little tray. Am I opening it right? Okay. Has a little tray. And that over there. Okay, so in the kit, you get, like I said, the two stamps. Here's one of them. One's on the floor. The other one's on the floor. How does that work? Oh, okay. Alrighty. I'm a professional. We can do this. I don't like my rolly chair. I like my rolly chair, but I don't like my rolly chair. So there's, here's the brow kit thing, okay? And you put your 2 little eyebrow, you have one for the right side and one for the left side. And it's got one that has an arched, can you see that? Okay, that one is the arched one. And then this one is the curved one. Okay, and so like I said, I'm gonna use the arched brow because I like an arched brow. And we'll see how easy or hard this is. Oh, that's coming out. Well, I wasn't gonna use that one anyway. I'm gonna put these aside so I don't get confused. So it has like a little, it just feels like a foam, piece of foam is what it feels like. It doesn't really feel like, it just feels like foam. So I guess the idea is, I don't have a mirror. Hold on, I'm gonna get a mirror because we don't want eyebrows. We want eyebrows where they're supposed to be, right? Am I right? All right, I'll be right back. All right, I got a mirror. So this is an example of why I'm not a beauty guru, because a beauty guru would have had that already. They would have had all their stuff ready to go. Oh, hello. So I am now going to hold on. This is Lisa. Okay, so I'm looking at this. And this is not a color. Oh, okay, I was about to say, this is not a color that's gonna work with most colors. The hair tones and skin tones and stuff. This looks a little dark, I'm gonna be honest with you. But hey, we're still gonna go with it. Oh, and it comes with a mirror, so I really didn't even need to go get the mirror because it comes with one. So that's handy. Okay, so what you have to do is stamp it, like press it into the powder, and then you're gonna position it. Oh Lord, I don't know if this is gonna, you're gonna position it and then press. Maybe I should do the right one first. Why not start with the harder one? Oh wait, am I supposed to do something? Hang on. I've got other things. I've got a little tiny spoolie, and it's got a little angled brush on the end. Super cute. I don't know if you can see. That's the angled brush, and then the spoolie on the other end. And it does come with directions, so possibly I should read those first, because I intend to go out in public after I'm done with this. So it says you choose, align the stamp with your eyebrows to determine which brow shape most closely resembles your own. Without applying powder, practice stamping on your eyebrows by guiding the sponge along the shape of your eyebrow. So let's try this one. So, like, I mean, okay. I don't know how, like, okay, I practiced. I don't know. This kind of, I don't know. You know, this kind of like bad decisions. Maybe not wise decisions. I may have to take the eyebrows off. I mean, I think it's in the spot. We're just gonna go for it. Then step 2, it says to open the compact. The compact includes brow powder and a mirror. In small circular motion, gently rub the stamp into the powder until the sponge is sufficiently coated with brow powder. Note, do not forcefully press the stamp into the powder. Okay, calm down. It's not that serious. Okay, so I'm gonna do the left one first. I'm just gonna, it's probably not, I should probably do the right one first, but I'm gonna go with the left one first, and I'm gonna press. I'm not forcing it, I'm just pressing gently, and hardly anything's getting on the stamp. So I can see why people might be like inclined. Was I supposed to do circular motion? Because that's what I just started doing. Small circular motion. I can do small circular motion. More stuff is getting on there, but not quite enough. And it says not forcefully. I'm not forcing you. Just please, product, get on the thing. It's not getting on the middle part. Am I not? I'm trying not to be forceful. It's still not getting on the middle part. The archy part, which is where I want it. Okay, let's try it. Maybe I'll turn it around and hold it this way. Because we're getting product on there. We're just not getting enough, in my opinion. Small circular motions. Isn't this like, aren't you glad you tuned in for this? I don't know why it's not getting on that middle part. Maybe I have to put it on with this stuff. I don't know, but it's not getting in the middle part. Okay, I'm just using this little brush to add a little bit more product where the product is not getting on, okay? Now, here's the test. Ooh. Does it say to blow it off a little bit? It says, while looking in the mirror, align the stamp with your eyebrows and press firmly with even pressure for 3 seconds. The harder you press, the darker your eyebrow will be. Pull the stamp away to reveal your eyebrows. If there's any excess powder around your eyebrows, you may need to touch up. Note, the stamps are labeled with R for right eyebrow and L for the left eyebrow. Make sure to use the correct stamp, thanks, on the correct side before applying. So, this one, I don't know where it says. Oh, maybe right there. I don't know where it says. This one's the right, it's correct. It's the correct one for the correct brow. All right, so I'm looking in the mirror, y'all. This is the true test. I'm looking in there. I've got the product on the brow spongy thingy, and we're gonna go for it. Here we go. Here we go. See, I'm just like really concerned and nervous now because I want this to work. 1, 2, 3. Well, not so much. Not so much. So, can y'all see? Can y'all see what I'm dealing with? So, well, overshot it just a little bit. Oh, and that didn't help. Okay, so I shouldn't have started with the left side. I should not have started with the left side. We're gonna do the right side. We're gonna fix the left side in just a minute. So I'm doing circular motions again for the right side, and this is applying a lot faster than the left side did. And we're gonna try it again, y'all. I mean, seriously. You know, I have to take a picture of this because this is ridiculous. Oh, I don't really like the off. There we go. So, I'm gonna try it on the right side. Okay, let's try it on the right side. Now we're gonna try it on the right side. Left side is a disaster. I'm gonna have to start over on the left side, but we're gonna try the right side. So I'm looking, y'all, I'm looking to see if I'm lining it up, okay? So, I think the edge is there. Maybe, well, So, my review of the eyebrow stamp is don't try the product right before you're going to go somewhere. And I mean, it does stamp on. It does stamp on, but it's not really the look I was going for, so. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I might try the product again, but my first impressions was less than amazed. I mean, it works. Like, this side is not that bad, but why is it like my eyebrow doesn't go up like that? Here, let me try to, like, it's like going zoom like that, and my eyebrow doesn't naturally do that. And it's a little bit dark, so, but maybe I pressed too hard. Maybe I could just go, and then it would be better. But anyway, that's my experience, my first impressions, my very first trying it in front of y'all experience with the 3-second eyebrow stamp. And, oh, it does say, use the included sponge brush to get rid of any excess powder around your eyebrows. Little bit of excess powder going on here. And you can also brush your eyebrows to help blend the color. Note, if you get excess powder on your skin, simply wipe it off with a cotton swab or makeup remover. Yeah, we're going to be using some makeup remover, you know what I'm saying here? I don't know. But if I do the spoolie, does that help at all? I don't think so. It is what it is. When you see me next, I'll be a different person. So, anyway, thank y'all again so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all. No, for real. For real. This is, y'all, this is not the look I'm going for.